Okay, this is hard for Cara Clugger Modern, Tamwoodin Show, again Grianan, Huntusacher, the La Umlan Plody Hella Cheoil, the Doire Cathair Cheoil, and Show in Nura. What's been your highlight of the year so far?
Well, probably I would say the fly for myself. I had a ball at the fly. Say I would have a basic knowledge of the traditional Irish music, but I really immersed myself. I went over the 10 days of the fly and came out the other end. I'm a fan of go searching for it now.
So what's your highlight for today?
Today, this, possibly, if the sun comes out in about 20 minutes, might blow my mind, and then just hopefully seeing loads of musicians taking ownership of the street.
I'd just like to ask you, what are you looking forward to most today?
Well, I suppose for me, the experience of being up here at Grianan Fort to see, we hope to see the sun, but you can see a beautiful sky, certainly clear there, and hopefully the weather will be very good in Doire Cathair Cheoil. And all that our own homegrown music city has to offer today is going to be a great day in the city, and anybody who's out and about can come along and feel the buzz and listen to the music and just enjoy themselves.
Brilliant. What about yourself?
Just more or less to echo what the Mayor has said, but also to welcome everybody to Donegal. It's absolutely a pleasure being here in Grianan today. Wonderful morning, and I do see the sun is just coming out, which is absolutely fantastic.
It's a Donegal sunrise there. Doire Cathair Cheoil.
Doire Cathair Cheoil.
Doire Cathair Cheoil. Doire Cathair Cheoil.